Hello everyone, this is Ralph from Ralph's Trucking. This is tips to get better views. Better views? Tell you a little app. What you need to get. Learn where your sources are coming from. But right here, you download that app right there. It says YT Studio. Click on the YT Studio. It will show it like that. Hit that right there where it says View More. And it will show you detailed information on your channel. Yes, it's backwards. I will be showing screenshots. But up here on the top, there, go to the top where it says Discovery. It'll look like this. There's a screenshot. Okay. For the last 28 days, you can change each one to 60 minutes, 48 hours, 7 days, 28 days, for the month, for 3 months, or for the year, or for lifetime. But I have it right now set, it's manually set up to 28 days. Last 28 days, all my traffic coming to my videos and live streams, 31.4% of people are getting it by browse information, browse features. 19% of people are getting notified about me going live or seeing a video. 16.6 is from my page. They're went directly to my page. 11.9% of people was suggested to other people. It was suggested. 21% is other. What other is, don't know. But learn your analytics. Where are your traffic people finding your channel out? And keep going to those places. Here are top external sources. You can click on that. And it will give you a full rundown. Give you a full rundown of everything. I will be showing screenshots. But from July 7th to August 3rd, 14.7 is coming from Facebook. 12% is coming from Messenger, Facebook Messenger. 6.6 is coming from Twitter. Android messaging, 3%. Gmail, 2.7%. WhatsApp, and it keeps going on and on and on. I'll send out, there'll be screenshots in the video. But learn where your people are coming from. Top YouTube search terms. What are people looking for you? 15.2% people coming to my channel by typing in Ralph's Trucking. 5.3 going from the Livagongo meter, because it's been a very popular video about me unboxing it and showing how it works. 4% by typing in Ralph Trucking. And that type of thing, it shows you right there. So what's that mean? Right here, analytics. Top external sources of people who are coming to my channel are from Facebook. Join all the Facebook groups you can that pertain to your channel. We have a Facebook page here on Friday Grow Day. Join that. There are so many different pages on Facebook. Share it out. Don't send it to every person, because you're going to turn them away, because they're not going to want to watch. But go to these Facebook groups. Go to whatever your genre is. Share it out in their communities if they'll let you. Find communities that'll let you share it out on their Facebook page. The best bet to get notified and get notifications for your videos is sharing it out to places where people are looking. Analytics are teaching you that. 19% of people coming to my channel are getting notified. It means they're coming from other areas, not from my, hey, Ralph's live. Ralph just dropped a video. Check your analytics out. This app here is free. That is a free app right there. Another good app to get is TubeBuddy. And I'll do another video talking about tips for TubeBuddy. But for this one is how to get better views for your channels. I'm starting to get into more and more groups on Facebook. to share me out. Interact with people. That's the way you want to do. Marketing. You got to market your channel. Facebook, Twitter. It's kind of hard on Instagram. If you see good videos on YouTube, which you think other people in your group might like, share them out. I share out good videos to other people. Good live streams. If you have a community tab, share it. But not everyone gets notifications from YouTube. They're tricky like that. Best bet is Twitter and Facebook. And if you're any other group messaging services, Google Hangouts, Facebook Messenger groups, drop the link in them. You might get a couple people to watch your video. Every view counts. If you go in a channel and you like their content, hit that red subscribe button. It's free. All you need is a Google account right there to set up a YouTube page. But to get your videos get your videos out, tips for getting more views on your videos is join different Facebook groups. Share it on Twitter. Share it on whatever other Discord. Anything which you know you have a lot of friends and colleagues on. Share the links. Or share other people's links. Say, hey, this is a great channel. Check this Rouse Trucking Tips to get better views. Drop that link. And tell people, hey, if you like his content, hit that red subscribe button down there below. It's free. Thumbs up every video you watch. Leave them a little small comment. Say, hey, great video. Thank you for the tips and tricks. But like I said, right there, YT Studio. Download the app. It's free. And you can check in. There's all the different topics up here on that. Overview, revenue, discovery, audience. It tells you where I have 53.5% of my viewers Google thinks are male. 46.5 think they're female. My range, my main 13% 18 to 24. 33% 25 to 34. 37.7 is 37%, and 45 to 54 is 14%, and it's got 1.1% 55 to 64. Guess that's Farmall Fanatic. But it also tells you what countries. 57.2% of my viewers are watching from United States. 7% United Kingdom. 3.6 from Canada. 1.5 Philippines, and 0.6 from Saudi Arabia. Greetings from the United States. It all tells you on your analytics. And I will have screenshots of this too. Right now. But it also tells you who's playing your playlist, how many views, what's your average watch time. It shows how much revenue if you're monetized. I have 5,381 monetized playbacks. 131 transactions. It tells you what type of ads they're running on my channel. If you're not monetized, you won't be seeing it. But learn your analytics. Find out where people are coming from your channel. Share it out to all the different groups you are a part of. Any social network platforms. If they allow you to share your videos or other people's videos, share them out. People might learn things. Tell people subscribe to this channel. Great content. Not my channel, any channel. If you find a good video you learn from, other people can learn from too. Hit that share button. Share it out to Facebook groups. Copy and paste. That's what I do. And like I said, we have started there. Share it on Twitter. If you have Discord, if you have any of those platforms, Google Hangouts, Send the videos out. It's free. And if Facebook groups allow you to share links, drop links to your videos. Drop links to videos you like. Drop links to people who are live that might help you grow. To go and grow. But you all have a great day. This is a few tips on tips for getting better views and a little about the YT Studio app. Thank you all for coming. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit that thumbs up. Check you the next time. Give me comments below. Tell me what videos you'd like me to discover. Like I said, I'm planning on doing one for TubeBuddy here in a few days. Or whatever. Give me suggestions what you want me to record. I'll do it. You all have a great day. Thank you much. Peace. Like and share. Share and like.